Here I've got Nokia 8110 and let me show you how to locate IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one, which is a secret code, so enter *#06#, and as you can see here, both IMEI numbers are indicated on this label. So click on OK to go back, and now let's go to the second method. At first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, go to the device and open device information. Now if you will go a bit lower, you will notice more info, where you will find both IMEI numbers for your device. So here they are. This is how you can easily find IMEI number for your Nokia, and it's all included here. You can go back then, and then whenever you need your IMEI number, you can use whichever method you prefer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.